AOP Tech is pleased to present the TerraNova series. In this episode, the Summary Chart Combination Report, presented by Sister Edward William Quinn, Assistant Superintendent for Curriculum Instruction and Assessment.
The next report we're going to look at is the summary chart. We're going to use the combination looking at the in-view as compared to the TerraNova itself. The combination report tells us how well the students did in relation to how well they are capable of doing, because I'm taking the achievement scores and the ability scores and looking at a relationship between the two. So when I click on summary chart combination, I'm looking at the third grade here and continue. I'm getting a score for each area, and I'm taking a look and seeing how well the students have done in relationship to how well they're capable of doing. When I look at this, I look at science here. Science, their anticipated score was 76, but look at how well they did. They did 87 percentile, which means something was really going well with the science. They really either like the science this year and really have an inkling toward doing science, which again, as a teacher, if I see that that's a real interest, I need to challenge them in that area. But I also take a look at the other scores here, and I see that math, they were capable of doing 79th percentile, but are only doing the 76th percentile. So I'm a little bit concerned about that because I don't want to see them going downhill. Now again, I have a bar here, and I'm looking at, I want to drill down to the roster of where these students did. So I'm going to click on my roster for the math scores. And again, I'm going to order them, put them in order, sort them in descending order, so I can see who my better math students are as compared to those who have. But I want to see what was their CSI. So I'm going to go up here to the tab that says In View. And down here at the bottom, there's a little box that you click that says CSI. It's going to tell me their CSI. I click that and I click Submit, and it automatically adds a column to my table that tells me what the students were capable of doing. I take a look at, if you know the interpretation of the CSI scores, the average CSI score is 100. Anything above 100 is should be above average or a little bit above average. Anything below 100, we're looking at below average. Anything below the 85th percentile, a student really needs a little bit of extra help. They would look for accommodations for those students based on their cognitive skills index, or they may need some testing to find out exactly where they're deficient. Okay? So I'm taking a look at these, and I see that I have some children who are working above potential. I have one here that's definitely working above potential. He has a high average score here, but is really working in the very high average position, so he's doing very well. I have a couple students down here who should be average, but they're working below average, so I need to find out what's happening there with those students. So this is how you find the cognitive skills index. Again, I'll show you that screen again. If you look at In View, tab at the top, and just click on CSI, it automatically puts it, interprets it in the chart below, okay? I don't need all of these other things up here in my chart at this point in time.
So AOP Tech would like to thank you for watching this video. We hope it has been helpful and informative. If you'd like to contact Sister Edward, her contact information is above. And we certainly recommend that you subscribe to AOP Tech right over there. And if you'd like to watch the next video in the series, you can find it right over there. Thank you so very much. Have a great day.